You're out trying to be a good friend and you hear the four desperate words, "Can I use your hotspot?" Of course, you say, feeling like a hero. You pull out your phone, flick on the personal hotspot, and your mind is a complete blank. What was that password? Was it your cat's name plus 123, your favorite band with a random symbol? Before you start playing a frantic guessing game that locks you both out, just breathe. We're going to show you the incredibly simple spot on both iPhone and Android where that password has been safely waiting for you this whole time. This is a problem we all run into, and the fix is so quick you'll wonder why you ever stressed. By the end of this video, you'll not only find your password in seconds, but you'll also know how to change it to something you'll actually remember, make it more secure, and learn a few pro tips that will make you the undisputed tech guru of your friend group. We're covering everything, starting with Android, including specific steps for Samsung, and then jumping over to the iPhone. Let's get into it. All right, let's start in the wonderfully diverse world of Android. Because Android is so flexible, finding your settings can feel a little different depending on who made your phone. A Google Pixel is not a Samsung Galaxy. But don't worry, the main idea is the same and we'll nail the most common ways. If your phone runs a stock version of Android, like a Google Pixel, your path is super straightforward. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your quick settings. You'll probably see a hotspot icon there. While that's great for turning it on and off, we need to go a little deeper to find the password. Find that gear-shaped settings icon and give it a tap. This is your phone's command center. Once inside, look for the section that manages your connections, which is usually called Network and Internet. Tap on that. In the Network and Internet menu, you'll see a few options. The one we want is Hotspot and Tethering. This is the hub for sharing your phone's internet. Tap Hotspot and Tethering, and then tap Wi-Fi Hotspot. And there it is. You'll see your hotspot's name, and right below it, a field labeled Password. For security, the password will likely be hidden by a series of dots or asterisks. To reveal it, just tap the little eye icon next to the field, and the dots will turn into your password. It's that simple. From this screen, you can also tap the password field itself to change it to something a bit more memorable. Now for the millions of you rocking a Samsung Galaxy. Samsung's One UI is a little different, but the process is just as easy. Start by opening your Settings app. Inside Settings, your first tap will be on Connections, which is usually right near the top. Once you're in Connections, scroll until you find Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and tap it. This next screen is the last step. At the very top, tap the words Mobile Hotspot, not the toggle switch next to it. Tapping the text opens the configuration page. And you're in. On this screen, you'll see your network name, and right below it, your hotspot password in plain text. With many modern Samsung devices, you don't even need to tap an eye icon. It's just sitting there. To change it, just tap the password field, type in a new one, at least 8 characters, and hit Save. Here's a great bonus feature on most Android phones, especially Samsung, the QR code share. On the mobile hotspot screen, look for a QR code icon. Tap it and a code pops up. Your friend can scan this with their phone's camera and connect instantly. No typing required. It's a fantastic secure shortcut that makes you look like a tech wizard. Okay, iPhone users, your turn. If Apple is known for one thing, it's making things simple, and finding your hotspot password is no exception. These steps are the same across all modern iPhones. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app, the gray icon with the gears. Inside that menu, you'll find an option called Personal Hotspot. Tap on it. And there's your answer. You'll see a field clearly labeled Wi-Fi password with your password displayed in plain text right next to it. No eye icons, no hidden fields. It's just there. Want to change it? Just tap the password field, delete the old one, and type in something new. Just remember, iPhone hotspot passwords need to be at least 8 characters long. When you're done, tap Done in the corner. Quick note. Changing the password will kick off anyone currently using your hotspot, so they'll have to reconnect with the new one. You'll also see an option for Allow Others to Join. This has to be on for your hotspot to be visible. If your friends can't see your network, the first thing to check is that this toggle is green. If you have an iPhone 12 or newer, you might also see Maximize Compatibility. Turning this on forces your hotspot to use an older, more compatible 2.4 GHz band. If it's off, it uses a faster 5 GHz band. If a friend with an older laptop has trouble connecting, flipping this switch on will usually fix it. So what happens when your phone decides to be difficult? Or what if you want to level up your hotspot game? This section is for you. What if the personal hotspot option is missing? This is a common headache, especially on iPhones. If you go into settings and the personal hotspot option is gone or grayed out, it's usually for one of two reasons. First, the obvious one, make sure your cellular data is actually turned on. Your hotspot can't share a connection it doesn't have. Second, and more likely, your mobile carrier plan might not include the hotspot feature. Some budget or older plans don't allow tethering. If you've checked everything and the option is still missing, your best bet is to call your carrier, like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, and confirm that personal hotspot is active on your plan. They may need to enable it on their end. The default password is often a random string of characters that's secure but impossible to remember. When you change it, you want to balance security with something you can actually recall. A password like 1234567 or password is a terrible idea for a network that's broadcasting publicly. A great strategy is to use a passphrase. Think of a short, easy-to-remember sentence, like coffee and donuts today. It's long, uses mixed characters, and is way more memorable than AJ78KLP2. It meets security needs without you having to write it down on a napkin every time. Alternative method. Find the password on a device that's already connected. Here's a brilliant workaround if you can't get to your phone. If you've connected a laptop or tablet to your hotspot before, that device probably saved the password. You can retrieve it from there. On a Windows PC, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, Manage Known Networks, find your phone's hotspot in the list, click Properties, and you'll see an option to show the password. On a Mac, open System Settings, Wi-Fi. Click the three-dot menu next to your hotspot network and choose Copy Password or click Details to see it. On another iPhone, iOS 16 Plus, in Settings, Wi-Fi, tap Edit to see all your previously joined networks and view their saved passwords. This trick is an absolute lifesaver and a fantastic backup plan. And just like that, the mystery of the forgotten hotspot password is solved. It's one of those tech frustrations that feels like a big deal in the moment, but is super easy to fix once you know where to click. We've covered how to find it on any Android, including Samsung, and on any iPhone. We've also gone through what to do if the setting vanishes and how to create a password that's both strong and easy to remember. So, did we just save you from a moment of Wi-Fi panic? If this video was helpful, do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And for more simple, no-nonsense tech tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Do you have any other hotspot tips or a frustrating tech story to share? Drop it in the comments below. We read every single one and would love to help out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing that glorious internet connection.